If the battery of your remote control car key is dead, you can unlock the door with the emergency key. In most cases, replacing the VW car key battery doesn't require any specialist skill and can be done quickly and cheaply at home. No matter what VW vehicle you drive, replacing the battery is simple. You'll need a small screwdriver and a new CR2032 or 2025 battery. Eject the emergency key by pushing the button. Firmly grab the fob in your hand and remove the battery lid with your index and middle finger of the other hand. Remove the dead battery with the help of a screwdriver. Oops! Insert a new battery and make sure you can see after the installation the flat side of it with the plus symbol. Tightly press both halves of the key fob together until it clicks into place. Well done! That's it! Thanks for watching and bye bye!